कि सुहेल साहब इस हवाले से अपनी तासुरात का या अपनी ज़ाहिर ख्याल का इस हवाले से।
Today at a dacha. A dacha is like a hut in Russian, and we are standing here at a dacha within the confines of Hana Lake, and this is a really picturesque kind of a place with the lake in the background, and we have the mountains and stuff, and it is very idyllic. And I think our country has a lot of such places. We tend to not appreciate what nature has bestowed us. And I think the more we explore our own country and find out about, God-given beauty that is present within our borders, I think it is a refreshing experience, and I hope everybody can afford to go around our country and, glorify what is the good in Pakistan. The soft Pakistan should be promoted rather than what we hear generally people knocking their own country down. मेरे ख्याल में अल्लाह ताला ने जिन चीज़ों से हमें नवाजा है उसका हमें हर रोज़ शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.